One enemy remaining. You should run.
No, what I wanted to do today, what I wanted to do is I was wondering, man, my movement, not always the cleanest. So I was thinking, there's this thing in the game that nobody uses. Everyone says it's obnoxious. And all the guides, whenever you watch it, they're like, hey, if you want to fix your counter strafing or if you want to fix your movement, you should turn on movement error. And I was like, you know what? I wonder if this actually helps at all. So I was like, you know what? I struggle with movement every now and then. I'm going to make a crosshair where I have the movement error on, and I'm going to see if it helps me at all today. We'll play with it for a little bit today, see if it's distracting. Maybe it won't be. Maybe it'll be cool, but I think it'll be a decent, excuse me. I've been drinking beer for like the last like hour. I've only had 2, so I'm not drunk, but like I'm at a slight buzz, but I'm doing fine. Yeah, I just want to test it out. I want to see if it works. So if you guys are watching this on YouTube, I think this would be a good topic. Subscribe to the channel down below. Check us out on Twitch, and let's get into it. So the first thing we got to do is we got to make our crosshair, right? So I don't know exactly what we're gonna do. We're probably gonna do something similar to what I have right now, but we're gonna turn on outer lines, I think, is our move. So here are our outer lines. We'll do, I need to make them up here. How do I? So like if I'm moving here, let's go into the practice range to test this. That's like a lot. Oh my gosh, that's so exaggerated. Is there any way I can make it more subtle? It feels so funky. There's got to be a good crosshair I could use for this. Oh, this is the one, guys. This is the one. Oh, God. Oh, man. 10 out of 10 crosshair. We'll give it a go. Let's give it a go. I'm going to load into a deathmatch and use this. So what I want is it goes really wide. I want it to be more not wide, you know? Is there a way I can, like, adjust the movement error? Oh, no. It's so distracting. It is actually distracting, man. I feel like I've seen crosshairs where it doesn't go this wide. There's me in a deathmatch game. It was inner lines movement error. Yeah, maybe it's the inner lines. Maybe that makes sense. Let's try that. If this was your crosshair. Oh, no. Oh, God. All right, guys. This is what we set out to do, though. So we have to. So what if I made my outer lines my inner lines? What if that worked? For the firing error, it might have been the firing error. That's possible. That's okay though, because I said I was doing movement error, so this is what we have to do. This is what we've committed to today. We'll see if I'm able to actually frag out with this. I don't think I will, because I'm not able to frag out with a normal crosshair, so I can't imagine this is actually gonna help me. I wonder, one of the things that I really wonder is if this ends up being distracting by the end of the day, right? Or do I get used to it where it like becomes like a normal thing, you know? Because like, if I get used to it, that's actually not terrible, you know? This is what people consider the training wheels for learning how to counter strafe, you know? They're like, turn on the movement error so that when you strafe, you get used to it faster. I'm like, okay, well, let's try it. And although my counter strafing isn't terrible, it's also not good. It's definitely not top tier. Well, it's nice to know that I can kill targets that aren't looking at me still. Nice. Oh, I'm insane. Look at that. I knew I was standing still because of my crosshair right there. I think this is not going to be terrible in game. I'm actually already kind of getting used to it. So I'm excited to take this into a game and see if I get rolled. How's it going?
I'm sad.
Why are you sad?
I demoted.
Oh, no. That's okay. We'll get you back to diamond right now. Yo, we're not going to talk about that, okay? What the fuck? She just full sprinted with a ghost and fired 3 shots and all 3 of them landed.
Nah, don't worry, that's just RNG. Some people have it, some people don't. Unfortunately, I don't. No, she just has mollies, right? Close breath.
Look at this dude.
No, you don't.
Flawless.
Were you running when you killed that one, or?
You caught that.
No, I stood still.
Okay.
Careful now.
Nice.
One enemy remaining.
Dragon Vandal.
I didn't even know that was you, but I was like, I really hope this Sova peeks off my flash.
Oh, I didn't even peek off your flash. I peeked off the second blink of my dart.
Killjoy plays in garage. I might ult it. Watch my body, please.
Come on, let's go.
80 on church.
Embarrassing.
enemy remaining.
That Omen was just crouching in a corner when I swung him, dude. His name's Boykisser 4000.
Reloading.
Careful now.
One more.
One enemy remaining.
I don't see your guy.
Oh, what? They're close. Good trade.
I was playing wrong.
Come on, let's
No,
go.
You're so bad. You're so bad. If I had any teammates that were dead.
Oh my god, that made me jump. Holy shit.
Dude, I fucking jumped. What the fuck was that?
That made me jump so bad.
One enemy remaining.
I line up.
Oh, okay, cool. I'm blind. Jesus. Dang it.
Yeah, backside clear. I think. I'm not sure. Nobody's on site. Don't trust me, please. Yeah, someone's there.
She's literally just better.
Wait, let me. Don't ult yet. Don't ult yet.
Oh, she pushed me.
I said don't ult yet.
Last player standing.
Oh my.
Yeah, I know you said not to ult, yeah, but I kind of wanted to ult.
Yeah, I mean, I could have just pinged
Switching
someone.
sides.
I could have killed the Killjoy, though. I did have the chance of killing the Killjoy, I just fucked up.
Guys, it could be a C. Yo, let's be some bonus berries. Am I right?
Bonus berries coming in hot, dude.
True.
There's literally like
No way.
hey yo, the spike's over there.
Yo, I know where the spike is. I can see it.
Hey, yo, Sova, that
Okay.
ass dope.
Like, it's right here.
Look better with some flame decals on it.
Fucking
That's what I was thinking. I thought he
Maybe
went-
comes A behind him. No, there she is.
So let's go down the list and what's everyone's name? So Glaive, what does that mean?
an artist.
An
An
artist.
artist.
Ooh, that's kind
What does he do?
He makes fucking music.
Oh, an art, like a.
75.
Oh, okay.
There's a lot of
See,
different
well-
types of artists, you know,
Sorry.
What genre? do
like you
think?
consider a porn star an artist, honestly.
Right. I saw that.
Yo, Kalium. What's the name mean?
Callum.
It's my league name.
Your league name? Aw, who do you mean?
Yumi.
Let me show you how the boss
No.
does it.
No, no.
That's sexist.
Wait, Leona's dope, actually. I love Leona.
So Leona, who's your favorite ADC to queue up with? Jin.
Yo, I got a
Oh,
buddy
man,
who plays Jin. He's really good.
Backside cleared out the Wazoo edge.
Rain is down.
One mid, Killjoy's mid.
One
my
enemy
God.
remaining.
Let's go Killjoy.
Last one's gay. Last one's gay. Nice Astro Glow.
Good stick.
I hear A.
Thank you, Calum.
I think it's Callum.
I'll just keep saying it wrong. Thank you, Calcium.
Yo, peek me
Don't
with
lie
me.
to me.
Peek me with me.
Oh my god.
Jet, are you spectating?
Oh, they're there.
Ready, see?
Good trade.
Oh,
Let's
no.
go.
Hi, Silva.
Hi. I'll type my Twitch real quick. Should I do all chat or is that kind of scummy?
They don't want to know your Twitch, man. You're fucking 12 and
Last player standing.
Oh, yo, he's on B.
No!
Yeah, I don't think that's how you get followers,
New
dude.
fight, new tactics, keep it fresh, yeah?
Guys, we all know the throwers get the most followers. People. Looks like we have Calcium with the ultimate. And she's gonna be going on to C. Calcium, going into garage. Finds the
Picks up
omen.
one.
Now Jet
Unfortunately.
taking over. Glaive needs to clutch up. 2v3. We also have Astro Glow. Popping the Viper ult.
Last player
Team
standing.
Oppa's Brainda needs to find an opening to this. The new recruit Glaive. 1v3. And just gets absolute roll by D-Fast. Unlucky.
Yeah.
Gold 3 diff.
that is nasty, bro.
So Astro Glow, before we end this game this
Just
round,
for
like
rank?
what's Astro Glow? Is that like your rap name?
I don't know. It's just space and glow.
I don't know.
Wait, this guy's insane. Yo, I gotta drop my Twitch before he wins.
Oh, do it again.
Yo! Oh, I do it right now.
Okay, don't choke my boys.
I had to do it before we lost.
Coming
Yo,
long,
where's
coming
this person?
Oh,
Yes,
nice.
Astro Glow.
Defenders win.
What about this Phoenix with no name, weird champ?
Easy
Alright,
game,
that was
easy life.
fun.
Oh, I can't go frenzy our flashes on breach anymore. Sad.
No, please.
Does he recognize
Jet. If you op, I'm gonna kiss you on the lip. No.
you? Oh no, not like this.
So good and tasty.
Yo, yo, yo! I'm gonna concuss ramp right off the get-go. Let's go.
Go,
Alright, sounds good. I'm actually lost right now. I'm in the wrong spot. Okay, CT or screens.
Yeah, she's elbow.
She's lit.
One enemy remaining.
Good kills. Last one's out
One
rafters.
screens.
Out rafters. Nice,
Where are my
nice,
bullets
nice.
going? And then I dinked her for 105.
Oh, she concussed?
Yeah, she was.
I'm
She dashed out of the way.
insane. Let's go.
Yo, we're gonna be the Brett.
Yeah.
We're Brett.
Stretch
It's
combo.
Breach and
Brett.
My Spectre's still there too. Breach, you saw it.
One enemy remaining.
Yeah.
Yeah, good call.
Last one's gay, I think. Last one's gay.
Last one, I think. I just had it. I'm not gonna waste
He was
another
last
flash.
game,
Not
huh?
worth. Where are you looking? Hello?
Easy.
Okay, listen up. They're gonna have Breach and Killjoy on A this time. Rush B out the wazoo.
The wazoo. Hit him with
I smoke Heaven. I smoke CT.
Uh-huh.
I
And-
obviously stem the fuck out of you guys on your way into
True.
site.
it. I like these calls, Gray. Let's
Put
go.
the stim on my back.
Yeah.
2 kills in
One
heaven.
Heaven. Two Heaven.
One drop
Hell,
on
hell,
hell.
I'm in Hell. Hell and Heaven. Both out.
Let's go.
Easy. So
Calcium.
easy for
Way
you.
to go, Calcium. You're insane. Okay, you guys ready? I'm ulting it. Ready, set, go.
Sorry.
I'm
Sorry,
Line
I
up the
flashed you.
wazoo,
Sorry,
it's like
that was me.
Good job, Lips.
No charges left.
He heard one on site.
One enemy
You heard one on
remaining.
site.
Spike planted.
Man.
Fuck this kid, bro.
Yo,
Yeah,
chill. I played a deathmatch with him earlier. Yo, so
Target down.
nice.
Let's go, A.
Can you flash me in?
Flash out.
Oh, Killjoy's nearby. Close left.
I'm gonna smoke him
Big
out for you.
trade, Calcium.
Smoke him
Right
out.
side. Oh, that was a huge
What
flash.
a flash. Oh my god.
Oh, he's out rafters.
Ow, Raptors. Nice.
I was so confused
Well,
because I was
my
like,
fault,
I
my fault.
swear I saw two. I will say nothing feels better than having your teammates amp you up about flashes, you know, like.
Dude, your flash was the best.
Yeah,
I'm over here getting,
yeah.
I'm
You
over here
saw me,
getting
so we
flashed.
repeat?
I'm
But as
so
soon as
turned
you
on right
repeat,
now.
it's
Like,
fine.
Hell. Oh, not again.
sorry, it annihilated her though. If it makes
Smoking
backside.
CT right. Oh, backside.
Pillar.
Amateur.
I
she must have
I thought you
stuck in
cleared
this
that.
Heaven?
And then I realized you saw Hell. CT. On CT with a shorty.
One enemy remaining.
Not my best
That is-
spray.
Player
Red.
standing.
Uh-oh.
Oh,
Just
the
better
best.
Calcium.
Nice.
Insane.
They're in heaven.
Nothing CT.
Hit 80. Heaven. Phoenix.
Joke's over. You're
both
dead.
Heaven.
Last one's really
Phoenix Heaven.
gay.
Nice.
Nice.
Dude,
Well
I want to
done.
kiss your lips right now, man. What the fuck? That was kind of cute. We went up the zip line together. Oh man.
Is this Killjoy like never gonna hold?
That's what
I
I'm
don't know,
saying,
bro.
bro. I really think I should have burned my all.
And they're breach, too.
I'm running.
Oh, he's in screens too. Can you smoke screens? It's free. It's literally
I
free.
can't. If I were Omen, I
Oh
have your
man.
back
Oh
100%.
dude. Imagine not playing Omen.
She's holding heaven with a judge? Weird champ, anyone?
Last player standing.
No shot. Oh,
NT.
that was close.
You should
run.
There it is. Let's go. Last round.
More sight, nice.
Yes!
1, 3, 2, 1.
Joke's over. You're dead.
Go.
Yeah, boy.
What the
I feel that. I feel that every day. Wow, guys, it finally happened.
Did that hit you? How much did it hit you for?
No, it was going to. So, like, I jumped out of the way at the last.
Oh my god. I just love the
Like, I kept
sound
running, I
that
was
you
like,
made,
I
the
can't get
grunt
away
or whatever.
You want to do a play
Do
on
we
B
counter
now?
force here? Just exert
Nah.
dominance?
Nah.
I think we play it safe here.
Yeah,
No, wait,
let's
wait,
play it.
we'll run it.
I love that thing that we both do. Where no,
Probably dash.
I just kind of like mumble so people like don't know how to argue with it. Yo, we should force stingers.
I think it's Killjoy. Oh, never mind.
Enemy remaining.
Nice.
Good and bad.
She dashed up the ramps probably. Phoenix on site.
Like that transfer was so fast that I have no idea where my shots possibly went. Because I fired 2 bullets and killed the breach, and then I immediately transferred. I'm right on the guy's body. I didn't hit him a single
I don't know
time.
how my shots don't.
Holy fuck! I'm blind as shit!
Want to just push her together?
Nice.
Oh my god.
Last player standing.
Too late.
Dude, I'm so tired of getting killed by flash targets.
No idea where they're at.
Killjoy wasn't be heaven.
Killjoy's heaven.
I got my.
Wait.
Watch out, watch out, watch out.
Oh, I'm stuck in it. I'm stuck in it. All good.
Does one of you say a lot?
I don't think they have much time.
10
Run away,
seconds
run away,
left.
run away.
Nice, good
You
play,
win this.
Phoenix.
Last player
You
standing.
win
So
those.
good shit, dude.
I'm guessing that was her.
I'm blind.
Made it past her stuff. I'm in sewer
All
now.
those flashes.
I'm so blind.
Are they out?
You should run. One enemy
B
remaining.
main. Last
Last
one
one
B
B
main.
main.
Last player
Lit 80.
standing.
Nice.
Thanks
GG,
for the carry,
guys.
guys. My bad.
Let's get it, boys and girls.
In the wild.
That was a
I
fun
love
game.
you, Lips,
Thanks
dude.
for the comms and the just
Defenders
good
win.
energy.
Yes, thank you so much.
Guys, thank you so much for watching. We used a weird crosshair today. It was fun. I don't know if I did any better or worse. Sometimes I had some nice strays, but it was mostly in deathmatch. But it was kind of fun. If you guys are watching this on YouTube, subscribe to the channel. Look at the things. I freaking love you. And I'll see you in the next video. I don't know what games are going to be included in this video. I'll probably just send them like the first 2 or something because that's when my energy was a lot higher. And then give it a go. So other than that, guys, peace out. I'll see you guys tomorrow probably.